This one bottle is about to make every chemical under your sink useless. Once you see it work, you'll never look at cleaning the same way. For years, people spent hundreds of dollars on something they could make in 10 seconds. The truth was always hiding in plain sight. What if the strongest cleaner in your house isn't a chemical at all? By the end of this video, you'll wonder why nobody told you sooner. This spray was used long before big brands even existed. It worked quietly for generations and somehow got completely forgotten. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll never buy another cleaning spray again. It's simpler than anything you've ever tried. This is the story of the spray that quietly replaced an entire industry. Just one bottle that outperformed everything on the shelf. Every year, families spend over $300 on cleaning alone. It became a habit nobody thought to break. But most people never asked what's actually inside these bottles. Most of us just trust the packaging. Ammonia, bleach, synthetic fragrance, chemicals your lungs were never built for. Doctors have quietly linked daily chemical exposure to headaches and breathing problems. By the time people notice, it's already a habit. And still, we spray it near our food, our kids, our pillows. But always this way doesn't mean it's right. The worst part, most sprays only mask the smell. They don't actually clean. You're just paying to smell it less. So people buy a different bottle for every room. It never seems to end. One for glass, one for grease, one for floors, one for bathrooms. That's not cleaning, that's a business model. It's a cycle built to repeat itself. And every bottle ends up in the trash, plastic that takes 400 years to disappear. The scale of it is almost impossible to picture. We were told this was normal, that cleaning had to be expensive and toxic, but that was about to change. But somewhere, someone stopped believing that and found something the industry never wanted you to see. It was something old, waiting to be remembered. It started with an old handwritten note found in a kitchen drawer. Nobody expected it to change anything. No brand name, no barcode, just 3 ingredients and a warning. This works better than anything store-bought. At first, it sounded too simple to be true. It seemed like a stretch, maybe even a joke. So someone decided to actually test it. If it failed, nothing would be lost. First surface, a stovetop covered in 3 days of burnt grease. Thick, sticky, stubborn buildup. The mixture was sprayed on and left for exactly 2 minutes, letting the liquid do the work first. Then, with one wipe, the grease lifted like it was never there. It came off almost effortlessly. No fumes, no burning eyes, no chemical smell in the air. Next test, hard water stains on a bathroom mirror, built up for months. This kind of buildup usually needs something strong. The same spray, the same short wait, the same shocking result. It felt like watching magic happen in real time. Then came the real test, a moldy shower corner nobody wanted to touch. This was the moment of truth. This was supposed to need bleach, strong, dangerous, industrial bleach, but the simple spray was tried anyway. Instead, the same simple spray was used and left overnight, just silence and a quiet kind of hope. The next morning, the mold was gone, completely gone. It was the moment everything changed. That's when it became clear this wasn't just a trick. This was real chemistry, and it wasn't a coincidence. Something this powerful had to have an explanation. There had to be a reason it worked every single time. And the explanation was hiding in plain sight, inside every kitchen, just sitting quietly on a shelf. It all comes down to 3 ingredients you already own, just everyday items doing extraordinary work. White vinegar, a natural acid strong enough to break down grease and kill bacteria. Simple, but surprisingly powerful. Baking soda, a gentle abrasive that lifts stains without scratching surfaces, a soft power hiding in a simple box. And water? Simple, but it's what makes the mixture safe enough to use anywhere, just enough to clean, never enough to harm. Mixed in the right ratio, these three create something stronger than most store sprays. The balance is what makes it work. 1 part vinegar, 1 part water, a spoon of baking soda dissolved in first. Anyone can make it in under a minute. For extra power, a few drops of lemon peel oil are added. It leaves behind a scent nothing artificial can match. The lemon does more than smell good. It adds a second layer of natural acid, a small addition with a big impact. Shake it gently. That's it. No lab, no factory, no hidden cost. This spray works because dirt and grease are usually alkaline, and acid breaks them down instantly. It just makes sense once you see it. That's the same basic science big brands use, just without the extra 30 ingredients. The core of it was always this simple. Now let's see it in action, starting with kitchen counters. Everyday mess, everyday surfaces, real results. Stubborn coffee stains, gone in seconds. Just one spray and a single wipe. Sticky fridge shelves, wiped spotless without any harsh smell. Just clean, breathable freshness. Now the bathroom. Sinks, faucets, even toilet rims. This spray handled every single one of them. Watch the water spots disappear like they were never there. It's a small detail that makes a huge difference. Even glass windows come out streak-free without any blue chemical residue, just clear, natural transparency. On floors, it cuts through dust and grime in one pass, just a clean surface that actually feels clean. It even works on car dashboards, removing dust without damaging the surface, just a clean, natural finish. Shoes, sneakers, even fabric odors neutralized in one spray. It handles more than anyone expects. Wooden furniture gets a natural shine without the sticky chemical film, just a soft, natural glow. Even stainless steel appliances come out fingerprint-free, just a clean, reflective surface. One bottle, every room, every surface, just one solution that handles it all. The cost? Less than 50 cents per bottle. The difference is almost hard to believe. Compare that to $12 a bottle for something that does less. The math speaks for itself. Within 1 month, the cleaning cabinet looked completely different. It was a small change that felt strangely satisfying. No more rows of bottles, no more wasted plastic. Just one bottle doing the job of 10. The air in the house felt lighter. No more sharp chemical smell. Breathing at home suddenly felt different. Kids could crawl on the floor again without any worry, just a clean space that felt genuinely safe. The monthly cleaning budget dropped by almost 80%. A small habit change made a real difference. Friends started asking what changed and why everything smelled so fresh. One simple bottle became the topic of every visit. One video about it quietly reached millions of views. People were tired of paying for less. People everywhere started ditching their old chemical sprays. A quiet shift was happening in homes everywhere. Even cleaning companies started quietly changing their formulas. What started small was starting to shift an entire industry. What started as a handwritten note became a movement. Nobody saw it coming. A simple, forgotten idea quietly outperformed an entire industry. Sometimes the simplest answer really is the best one. And it all started with 3 ingredients nobody thought twice about. The answer was never far away. But this is only one of the secrets hiding in your kitchen, and most people have no idea. There's another mixture, one that replaces even stronger chemicals, and it's just as easy to make. And it might already be sitting in your fridge right now, never realizing what it's actually capable of. If this video saved you money today, imagine what the next one could do tomorrow. The next discovery might surprise you even more. The truth is, most expensive things have a simple secret hiding behind them. We've just been taught not to look for it. You just have to know where to look. It's just been overlooked for far too long. So tell me, what other expensive thing do you think has a hidden simple secret?
Maybe you've never even questioned it. Because next time we're uncovering another one nobody talks about. Stay close, because this is only the beginning.